In this video I'm going to show you how to embed your Miro board very easily. So what we will do, we will open our Miro board. So click on the three dots, then go to board, and there you will find the option export. Now as you can see, there are different options to export this board, but we would like to use the embed code. So click on that option over here, and after that this overview will be opened. So you can set the settings for the permissions of people who access your board. You can select the view only option. This is selected by default, but you can deselect it and now people also can edit it. I will leave it on view only, and after that you can embed the code. So what you can do is basically copy the link over here, and what you can do then is basically paste it in your website or on other places where you would like to add the embed code of your Miro board. So I will paste it over here, and as you can see we have here the embed code. And this is how you embed your Miro board very easily. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!